Hi everybody, good evening. This is Michelle with Creative Operation and Country Craft Creations. Today I have a mega haul video for you. I have made an order. I have got my design team package, and I have some packages for the upcoming retreat that I'll share with you. I'm not going to go through all of the projects for that because, you know, it's for a retreat. But I do want to show you what you would get if you are in that retreat, and kind of just, let you know that the retreats at Country Craft Creations are amazing. We're having a New Year's Eve virtual retreat. So it's not an actual get together in person. It will be all online and virtual get togethers. But the package that I received was absolutely amazing. So I'm not only going to be doing a project for the retreat, but I'm going to be able to do the other projects from the other designers that are involved with the retreat. So I'm pretty excited about that. But I wanted to just get started with just sharing with you what I did. So I did do an order on my own for some supplies that I needed. Now, I am, totally in love with artisan cardstock, and I needed some black, and I was running out of white, so I did kind of get some of that so that I could up my stash. Now, if you haven't used artisan cardstock before, it's 87 pound. Has high linen content. It doesn't rip. It doesn't tear. It scores and, works beautifully with all my projects, and it's just amazing. So since I've used that, that has been like my absolute favorite cardstock, and I do all my projects with it. It's amazing. In the package, as a thank you for making an order, I did get this kind of bonus little package of seam binding, and I love seam binding. So this will come in super handy for my projects. I decided that I wanted to, I'm trying to make some more of my embellishments and flowers and things, and I have dies and I have punches and all kinds of stuff. But what I don't have were leaves to go with them. I really like to have some leaves with my flowers. I just think it's really pretty. So Heartfelt Creations has this die that is available at Country Craft Creations, and you can see the different kinds of leaves that you can make with this. That's going to look absolutely stunning with my flowers, both the flowers in my stash and then any flowers that I decide to make, for my projects. I think this is going to be really amazing. So I picked up that die, and then I also got this die, which is some, tags and reinforcements and all kinds of little things. And this little swivel oval here, I'm going to be using that in an upcoming project for sure. So I just get these craft dies that I wanted to start playing with. I need to start using, my stuff. I need to start utilizing all my tools, and I have, die cutting machines. I need to start using them. And then also new in the store is it's called Mirror cardstock, and she has gold and she has silver, and I really want to play with this. I have been ordering the Pearl Sheen cardstock, which comes in like white and natural and gold, and it's just absolutely stunning. It really has a shimmer in it, and it has beautiful shine. But then I saw this Mirror, and I decided I had to have that. So I went ahead and ordered all this stuff. So this is kind of some bolstering of my stash, so to speak. And then I did get my design team package. Now, part of the design team deal for the next couple months is we're going to get to kind of have a little bit of a say in what we choose to work with. And so in the choosing, I decided that I was going to go with the Hearth and Home from Simple Stories. So I purchased quite a bit of stuff. So to go with the paper collection, there's bits and pieces. We have decorative brads and some chipboard shapes here. We have chipboard frames. I did get this extra. I didn't see it for the Hearth and Home, but the simple vintage weathered garden enamel dots I thought would look good. So I decided to order them and kind of see. And I think that some of the colors are actually going to go with this really, really well. So I got the enamel dots I'm going to use with this as well. I did get journal bits. So this has all kinds of different little journaling cards and things. And we're talking like, can you see this? Breakfast, lunch, dinner, a guest check, Let's do dinner. So this is kind of a home. You could do recipes with this, all kinds of stuff. I mean, this is kind of really up my alley, and I love the color palette with this, with the yellows and the greens and the browns and everything. I think it's really pretty. I did get the foam stickers, so I'm going to be playing with those. So this is a two-sided thing. So looky here, I can do some recipes with that. And you guys know I love my recipes and I love my recipe books. So I do love that. And then I got the paper collection, and I'll just open this really quick and show you what I'm going to get to play with here. So there's the cover page, and we'll just flip through this real quick if I can get my fingers to work. It's been a very long day. This is super cute. So look at the, I love the colors and the stand mixer and everything. I mean, that's just gorgeous. In the back of this, the flowers, the yellow, I am digging the yellow. So when I picked my seam binding, I was kind of going off the computer, but I think I did a pretty good job with picking some colors that's going to go with this paper collection really well. So loving the plaids and all of the different border strips that you could use. So I could see that being with pockets or belly bands or something. The lemons, the buffalo check, you know, with the, well, kind of buffalo check. It's a little bit different, but yeah, super cute papers. I love this. This is a total cut apart page if I ever saw one. Oh, but then you have the wood grain on the back there. Yes, recipe cards. Super, super cute. Tag sheet, which is going to be very cute. I love that on the back of that. So this is great for journaling. Oh, I have some ideas. Okay, some more cut aparts. Got a menu here. Yeah, this is really, really cute. This is super cute. So again, this is all available at Country Craft Creations, and this is going to be part of the collection that I'm going to use for my design team package coming up, and I've already got some really good ideas. So this is going to be super, super fun to play with. Okay, the colors are great. So lots of cut aparts, all kinds of stuff, and then it comes with a sticker sheet as well. So I'm going to have lots to play with. So I'm going to get this out of the way. So I got the Simple Stories, and again, this is Hearth and Home, and all of the goodies to go with it. So I have lots of things, and my seam binding. And then in the collection, let me get rid of this, or in the package, I should say, I got two new paper collections from Country Craft Creations. Love is in the Air, which is an awesome Valentine's Day theme. And then I also got Midnight Kiss, and this is a great New Year's themed paper. So let's go through this. Okay, we're going to start with Midnight Kiss and go through this. Now this is really, really beautiful. This is going to be so pretty to work with, the black and the pink and the gold. I mean, just amazing. And look at this. I can already tell I am going to dig this paper collection. So we have the cut aparts, which are really easy to fussy cut out by hand. Or if you have a scan and cut, this works really well. And I have a silhouette with a pick scan. I really need to work and figure that out and do that. But even if I don't, fussy cutting this out by hand is absolutely super, super easy. So lots of little cut aparts with that. The back of that is this beautiful granite. We have journaling cards here and a couple border strips. So I got two of those. Okay. Back of that, I love this. It's like the 1920s kind of feel to it, which is really cool. Envelopes, journaling cards, New Year's Eve party. I got two of those, so that's awesome. And look at that. I just love the colors. More envelopes, and this is cool. I didn't even know this was in the package. This is awesome. Oh, that is going to be so cool. I just love it. I love the colors. All right. So the clock with all the colors, a couple of those in the backs of that. This is really pretty. I love this. How often do you see an actual paper line for New Year's Eve? I mean, you don't. You just don't. And look at the images. Look at those beautiful people. Oh my goodness. Love it. Love it. Celebrate the new year. This is going to be fun. This is going to be fun to play with. So I love that. The party hats, the confetti. The colors are amazing. And look at that car. Look at the car. Oh, that is so cool. Oh my gosh, I just love it. I love the backs of the papers too. This is going to be really like super hard to cut into. And look at these. Look at the dancers. This is amazing. I just love it. I just love it. All the balloons and everything. So this is an exclusive collection, Midnight Kiss Country Craft Creations, and it's a New Year's themed paper collection. This is amazing. So then after that one is Love is in the Air. So, you know, Valentine's Day is coming up, whether we like it or not. And I actually saw a bunch of stuff in the store, so we got to start getting ready for it, right? You need to have Valentine's. So let's look at this. This is going to be super cute as well. So again, I love the color palette with the blues and the reds and the pink. This is really pretty. And again, fussy cutting this is super, super easy. So you get a couple of those. So you could use one for cut aparts. You could use one for this, you know, for the background. We have, oh, look at those cute little people. So this has, you know, like the vintage 50s vibe to me, with the beautiful, oh, look at the hearts. Super cute. And the balloons. This is really a sweet little project, or a package, I should say. On the airplanes. So this would make really cute little Valentines. This would make, this is really cute. You could frame that, put a beautiful picture of you and your significant other in the middle of that. Oh, really cute. I love this. This would make cute projects. I am excited about this. I really like this. I love them both. I mean, good gravy. Her papers are so amazing, and you guys, you're not going to believe, they're nice, they're thick, they feel beautiful. The colors are super vibrant. You are really going to love it. I just love this. Yep, see, Valentine's Love Letter Express, and on the back of that, the perfect, you know, postal kind of striped vibe there. Valentine Day party with all the tickets. That's really cute. And then more hearts. So this is super cute. And then in the package, I also did get some more black cardstock, because, you know, you never have enough cardstock, right? So I got that. And then in the package, she has a calendar with her company name and her phone number and her website. So it's all Norman Rockwell images. So I got this really nice calendar. Super cute for the new year. So I'm excited for that. I love Norman Rockwell images. They're just so amazing. Look at that. So I got that. And then I'm going to really super quick show you just the kits that we're going to work with during the retreat. Making you a little bit jealous, but look, I got another Midnight Kiss package. I have Noel Nostalgique, and I butchered that. I know I did, but isn't that beautiful? It's really pretty paper. This is Sunflower Market from Cartabella. So a whole collection for a project with that. And again, I don't even know what the projects are going to be, but I'm telling you, look at that beautiful silver paper in this one. So I'm super excited to do this. Another Valentine's package that we're going to get to work with for a project for that retreat. And then this one, I know what this project's going to be, because this one I got to play with, and this was my project package. So I got that. And then last but not least at all, Winter Wanders, which is another Country Craft Creations paper collection. All of these are for the upcoming New Year's Eve retreat. And then I got my design team package, which included Love is in the Air, so I can make a project with that. And I did order more cardstock because I wanted the artisan cardstock. You guys need to have artisan cardstock. I've got Midnight Kiss I get to play with. And last but not least, I have the Simple Story. Look at this pile that I get to play with. And then that's not even including this that I got. So you guys, I have my my projects you know, to do, and I'm super excited. So thanks for watching my haul. go to Countrycraft Creations at countrycraftcreations.com. And don't forget to please go to Scrapbookers of Countrycraft Creations on the Facebook page, or on Facebook. It's a Facebook group. You will have to answer a couple questions, but once you're in the community, you get notified of all the stuff that's going on, all of the activities. You get notified of all of the designers and their wonderful projects, and you get to meet wonderful people. It's just a great group, and I am so thankful, blessed, and humbled to be a part of it. So I think you would absolutely enjoy it as well. So with that, I will bid you a very good night, and I am going to get started on some projects. So thank you for watching. Have a wonderful evening. Good night.